Welcome. In front of me is a WIKO View GO, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key. From here, once you see the boot options, you want to hold power off option. This will bring up the reboot to safe mode window, asking you, do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed, so on, whatever. Let's tap on OK and let the reboot begin. And I'll quickly explain what this mode is used for. So, putting your device into safe mode disables all the applications that you have installed, which in turn result in basically only the primary applications that come with the device function in this mode. And if you have any kind of problems with your device and you suspect that it's, for instance, some kind of application causing you problem, then boot it into safe mode to basically have a clear indication if it's fault of an application or maybe the device itself. And as you can see, once it boots up, it has this watermark right at the bottom to indicate that it is in the desired mode. This will stay on the screen, and that is how you boot your device into safe mode. Now once you're done with it, all you need to do is simply reboot the device. So let's hold it and tap on restart, confirm it, and once it reboots, it will be then back in the normal mode. And as you can see, now that the device is back on, it is back to normal mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.